Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Z-Wave network using SmartThings plus secure storage, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Z-Wave network using SmartThings, start by ensuring your SmartThings hub is connected and operational. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Navigate to the menu section, typically found in the upper left corner. Select Devices from the menu options. Identify your Z-Wave devices listed under your account. Take note of each device's configuration settings, as this information will be essential for restoring later. Now, access the More option in the lower right corner of the app. Choose Settings from the additional menu. Look for the Backup and Restore section within the Settings area. Tap on Backup to initiate the backup process. Follow the prompts to complete the backup of your SmartThings hub configuration. Once the backup is finished, locate a secure storage solution. Consider using a reliable cloud storage service or an external hard drive for added security. If using cloud storage, upload your backup file directly to the service you choose. For external storage, connect the drive to your device and transfer the backup file. Ensure that your backup is stored in a secure location to protect against data loss. After securing your backup, you can test the restore process if desired. To test restoration, you can simulate a device loss by removing a device from SmartThings. Then, access the Backup and Restore section once again. Select the option to restore from your previously saved backup file. Follow the on-screen prompts to restore your Z-Wave network. Once the restoration is complete, verify that all devices are functioning correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully backed up and secured your Z-Wave network using SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.